Bitcoin has finally broken out here to the upside and is now trading above this downward sloping resistance line that held Bitcoin for months here in these lower price levels. But now the question is, can we maintain to stay here above these key areas, or is this just another fake out and Bitcoin will come back really quick here in direction of $19,000, $18,000? If you want to see what is happening here, then stay until the end and make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's directly dive into the charts. So Bitcoin has shown yesterday, when it came close to a decisive move where Bitcoin had to make a decision, we saw that Bitcoin now broke out of this falling wedge pattern here to the upside. So, and also today's candle was continuing to pushing here into higher levels above $20,000, but got heavily rejected from there, and that's why we are back at $19,400 right now. So, but now the question is, can we keep these price levels, or will Bitcoin just fake out here to the downside and potentially hit the bottom of this falling wedge and will fall through this? So when we're looking at the MACD here on the daily, here happened exactly one scenario that I was pointing out, and that was that we will see a bounce from the signal line with the trend line to the upside. So, and that means that the momentum is right now to the upside on the daily chart. So, but we should also look what the EMA ribbons are doing here on the daily. So here we can also see a clear rejection from the upper part of the EMA ribbon, which led to that we are now trading again under the EMA ribbon, which is obviously not good. So, and this daily candle has to jump at least into the middle of the EMA ribbon so that we can continue this uptrend. If we close today's candle under the EMA ribbon, it's shorting time, guys. You should opening shorts again, because then we go most likely from 19,400 all the way back down to 18,800, 18,600, even 500, in that kind of area. I would believe we could find ourselves back again. So when we look here at the lower time frames on the 1 hourly chart, so here we can also see why we got here rejected. We came here into this strong resistance key area, and Bitcoin could not maintain to stay within it and also not to break above it, and that's why we saw a rejection out of it to the downside. So right now we getting kept afloat from here this support floor at 19,360 approximately. But if that is giving in here and the Bitcoin price cannot manage to break this key resistance area that goes all the way up to $19,800, then we should definitely expect a further breakdown here to the downside. So there's only one scenario where I would say this is not the case, and that would be if we start to form here something like a broadening wedge, something like this. So, and as long as we would maintain to stay here in this broadening falling wedge, we could still expect that this turns around here and goes to the upside, but not if we break here $19,350. So guys, don't open any longs right now, in my opinion. Wait a little bit. If we are breaking here back into this key resistance area at 19,550, there I would potentially open a long position, but I would definitely open a short position if we break 19,350. That is a good area to open a short, in my opinion. So, and then I would close this short here all the way down at $18,600 approximately. So, and that will give us a really, really nice short opportunity. So let's put this like this. So here we are talking about a 3.88 risk to reward ratio. So it is 4 times almost more likely that you win this trade than losing this trade. So, and that is a risk to reward ratio that I pick any day. So that is really, really good. So that means if I put in here $100, I can potentially make here $400. If you trade this with 20x leverage, we're talking about $8,000 that we can potentially make here on the specific trade. And guys, don't forget, if you want to take these kind of trades with me together, click the BYBIT link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment below. Press on it right now and claim $4,000 in bonuses when you sign up with my specific link. Otherwise, you almost get nothing if you just sign up with the link. So definitely take advantage of that. Let's also go here to some higher time frames here once again. So here Bitcoin is also maintaining on this daily chart to stay above that curve here. So but also this downward sloping resistance line is still giving us resistance. That was another point why we got rejected, but we are here at the apex right now. So Bitcoin has to make a decision by tomorrow or after tomorrow to decide in which direction we are going. Either we're breaking above this yellow line, so or we are getting further rejected and go all the way down here to $17,400 approximately. So let's also have a look here on the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, we are outside the falling wedge here right now. So after we consolidate for quite a while in this, so that is of course for now a bullish sign. So but I want to see here some follow through from the bulls all the way up to $22,000 at least before I turn here on the macro structure for Bitcoin bullish again. Right now I'm cautiously bullish because we're outside this falling wedge, so we should see some follow through here in the next coming weeks to the upside, but this can still become a fake out and turn against us to the downside. So I'm still careful here when it comes to this falling wedge pattern and the small breakout that we saw here for now. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments here once again what you believe is going to happen. Was this just a massive fake out that we saw here in the last 24 hours, or was this now the legit pump that we were waiting for and that we continue this now to the upside? Let me know in the comments below. Other than that, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.